Good job, Jaden. Jaden is a little bit over 2.5. Camden's 4 months. And this is the chaos that ensues from 2 little babies. It's everywhere. Jaden, can you blow kisses? So sweet. What are you wearing? Why are you wearing a tutu? Why are you wearing a tutu? What are you? Jaden, are you a princess? Uh-oh, that's too hard. We can't lean on the swing, okay, baby? Thank you, good job. Jaden, are you a princess? You sharing with your baby sister? Fire truck book? Kuhn, how you doing with all those toys? Oh, here, have a backpack. That's too big, okay?
Yeah, I want toys. And how you want
Uh-oh. Sweetie, those are... Camden can't read. She doesn't need the books, okay?